Good morning, sweetie. Today is our big trip.
Are we really going on an airplane, Mom?
Yes. Now get dressed quickly. We leave in 1 hour.
I'm so excited. Can I wear my NASA hoodie?
Of course. That's perfect for traveling.
Good morning, champ. Ready for our adventure?
Yes, Dad. Where are we flying to?
We're gonna visit Grandma in California. It's a 3-hour flight.
3 hours? That's so long.
Don't worry. Time flies when you're having fun. Now eat your breakfast.
Here's your favorite, pancakes with syrup. Let me check our bags one more time.
Oh, do we have our passports and tickets?
Yes, they're in my purse. I also packed snacks for the plane.
Can I bring my toy plane, Mom?
Absolutely. Put it in your backpack.
What about my tablet for games?
Sure, but remember to bring your charger too.
Got it. Can I also bring my coloring book?
Yes, that's a great idea for the plane.
All right, everyone, let's load up the car.
Dad, can I help carry something?
You can carry your backpack. Be careful with the steps.
I'll get the small bag. Honey, can you get the big suitcase?
No problem. This one is heavy, but I've got it.
Wow, Dad is so strong.
Everyone buckled up?
Yes, Dad. My seatbelt is on.
Look at the map on the screen. We're taking the highway.
Our flight leaves at 11:30. It's 8 o'clock now, so we have plenty of time.
How far is the airport?
About 4 to 5 minutes from here.
Mom, what will we see at the airport?
We'll see many airplanes, shops, and lots of people traveling.
Will our plane be big?
Yes. It's a Boeing 737. It can carry almost 200 people.
Wow, that's huge.
Look outside. Can you see any clouds in the sky?
Yes, there are white fluffy clouds. Will we fly through them?
We sure will. It's amazing up there. Here we are. This is the airport terminal.
Whoa, it's gigantic. Look at all those buildings.
Stay close to us. There are many people here.
I'm gonna park the car in the long-term parking lot.
What does long-term mean, Dad?
It means we'll leave our car here for several days until we come back.
We'll take a shuttle bus from parking to the terminal.
Can I sit by the window? Yes, sweetheart. Hold on tight.
Next stop, Terminal 2.
I can see planes taking off. Look, look.
Those are big jets. Ours will look just like that.
Let's find our airline counter. We're flying with Delta.
There are so many people here.
See that long line? That's where we check in.
We can use the self-service kiosk. It's faster.
Good idea. I have our confirmation number ready. We scan our code here, and now it prints our boarding passes.
What's a confirmation number? What? It's how we check in, sweetie.
It's like a special code for our tickets. Watch this screen.
Cool. Can I hold mine?
Yes, but keep it safe. We need it to get on the plane.
Now we need to check our big suitcase.
Why can't we take it with us?
It's too big for the cabin. They'll put it in the cargo hold under the plane.
Let's put it on this scale to weigh it.
Oh, how heavy is it?
45 pounds. That's under the 50-pound limit. Perfect.
Have a great flight. Now we go through security. Take off your backpack, honey.
Why do we have to do this?
It's to keep everyone safe on the airplane. They check our bags with special machines.
No, kids under 12 can keep their shoes on.
Put your backpack in this gray bin. Walk through this metal detector. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt.
That was easy.
Good job. Now let's collect our things and head to our gate.
Dad, I'm thirsty. Can we get water?
Sure, there's a water fountain right here. Or we can buy a bottle.
We have 45 minutes before boarding. Let's walk to our gate first. Look at all these stores. They have books, toy, and snacks.
Our gate is B15. Look at the signs above us.
B15. I see it. This way.